Corona proudly presents Comprima, the new generation of round balers and baler wrapper combinations. Comprima balers stand out by their new concept and innovative technology, producing round and highest density bales. These are Corona machines that are made for the field. Comprima, one machine yet three different baling systems: fixed chamber, semi-variable fixed chamber, and variable chamber. Comprima features the cam trackless easy flow pickup. Comprima features the new Novo Grip belt and slat elevator. Comprima features the Corona X-Cut rotor cutter. Comprima features the net wrap system. The Comprima family is made up of 8 members. 1. Comprima F125, the fixed chamber round baler for 1.25 meter diameter bales. The model stands out for its straightforward design and is the ideal machine for the production of silage bales. 2. Comprima F155, the fixed chamber round baler with the new semi-variable system for 1.25 meters to 1.5 meter diameter round bales. This semi-variable concept is a unique and exclusive Corona design. 3. Comprima V150, the round baler with variable chamber for 1 meter to 1.5 meter diameter bales. The new Novo Grip baling concept features 2 belt and slat elevators to achieve unsurpassed densities. 4. Comprima V180, round baler with a variable chamber for 1 meter to 1.8 meter diameter bales. The versatile model suits a wide range of applications, from small silage bales to big straw bales. 5. Comprima V210, the round baler with variable chamber for 1 meter to 2.05 meter diameter bales. This is the machine that achieves highest throughputs and maximum bale densities. 6. Comprima CF155 X-Cut, the exclusive unique Corona development. The world's first baler wrapper combination that features a semi-variable fixed chamber to bale round bales of 1.25 to 1.5 meter diameters. 7. Comprima CV150 X-Cut, the baler wrapper combination with variable chamber and twin arm wrapper to produce 1 meter to 1.5 meter diameter bales. 8. Comprima CV210 X-Cut is the biggest variable chamber baler wrapper, a Corona exclusive. This machine bales hay and straw into 90 centimeters to 2.05 meter diameter bales and film wraps 1 meter to 1.75 meter diameter bales. Corona Comprima, a new concept that boasts extraordinary details and extraordinary outputs. All Comprima models feature the cam trackless easy flow pickup system. Measured by DIN standards, the system offers a gathering width 2,150 millimeters and provides excellent work in all crop conditions. Easy flow picks up every horn. Nothing is left behind. The floating pickup combines with gauge wheels on the sides to follow every ground contour. The roller crop guard ensures a continuous flow of material into the machine. Relying on substantially fewer moving parts, Easy Flow impresses by higher outputs, yet reduced wear and less maintenance. The Easy Flow rotor revolves at higher speeds, to the effect that Comprima can operate at higher ground speeds to boost throughputs and output. Users can choose between two feed systems, a feed rotor or a rotor cutter. The feeder rotor is designed to handle massive volumes of crop and has an enormous appetite. The X-Cut rotor cutters provide excellent quality of cut and boasts high capacities. The double tines on the rotor pull the crop persistently through a maximum number of 17 or 26 knives, which are arranged on one plane. The cuts are clean and precise. In the event of a blockage, the feed chamber floor is lowered hydraulically for the crop to pass unobstructed and to remove the blockage. Comprima buyers can choose among 3 different wrapping systems: twine, net and peripheral film. Comprima features an efficient net wrap system that cuts down on wrapping times and impresses by an efficient design and functionality. The net wrap system reduces wrapping times and boosts the overall output of Comprima. The new net wrap system boasts a straightforward design and superior functionality. The swing moves the plate that guides the net to the feed roller. Then the swing moves back to bring the plate into wrapping position. The bale pulls the net via the stretch rollers and the guide plate into the chamber, and wrapping begins. Once the programmed number of net wraps has been applied, the cutting system is activated and the knife swings into the tensioned net, cutting it as it does so. Krona Comprima. Best bales, best wraps. Testing new developments. Developing and enhancing well-proven technology. These are the tasks of research and development. The Krona result is NovoGrip, which is at the heart of all Comprima balers. NovoGrip, a brand new baling concept. NovoGrip combines the feed strengths of chain and slat systems with the quiet running of belt systems. NovoGrip is unique on the baler market. NovoGrip relies on an endless elevator. Its slats mount in rubber fabric belts to form high-density and well-shaped round bales. Quality is the key. We constantly test the belts for resistance to tear and separation of fabric layers, and the rubber vulcanized to them. The NovoGrip endless belts are made of layers of fabrics and rubber, which is vulcanized at the end of the process to create belts that take the full loading in any spot. The slat holders are bolted to the belts, which provide bushes for the bolts. The slat holders mount well protected between the individual rubber lugs. During baling, the load on belts is only 10% of their rated resistance to tear. NovoGrip is gentle but firm on the crop. As the slats mesh with the bale, they roll it while the belts provide the high pressure. The results are high-density bales. Comprima bales, wilted and wet silage. Comprima bales, hay and straw. The new fixed-chamber round baler Comprima F125 bales up to 1.25 meter diameter bales. Like all Comprima models, this baler impresses by an extremely high density and its straightforward design. all drives and components are easy to check and get at. The Comprima round baler generation relies on only a few drive chains to minimize the required input power and operating costs and maximize operational reliability. Highest outputs in silage, hay and straw, trouble-free operation and easy to service are prominent features of the new Krona round balers. The DLG medal-winning Comprima F155 is the first round baler that operates on the fixed chamber principle, while it is still able to produce 6 different diameter bales that range from 1.25 meters to 1.5 meters. Combining the functions of a fixed and variable chamber, the semi-variable chamber is a unique and exclusive design on the world market. As the baling cycle begins, the NovoGrip fabric belts are running on guide rollers on the sides of the machine. As more and more material is entering the chamber, the NovoGrip belt and slat elevator alters its path, forming a round bale as it does so. The NovoGrip belt and slat elevator is restricted in its path. In this setting, it bales 1.25 meter diameter bales. The degree of expansion of NovoGrip is set on spring-loaded and telescopic rods. These rods provide a hole and pin setting system on which bale diameters are set from 1.25 meters to 1.5 meters. There are 6 different settings and therefore 6 different bale diameters. Depending on the selected bale diameter, the rods restrict the path through which the NovoGrip elevator can expand. The system now bales up to 1.5 meter diameter bales. Krona Comprima F155, the fixed chamber baler that bales 6 different sizes. Thanks to its straightforward design, Comprima F155 models are low maintenance, more cost-effective and easier to service than a variable round baler. NovoGrip is quiet running, allows Comprima to make high-density bales. Krona Comprima F155, superior technology. The variable round balers Comprima V150, Comprima V180 and Comprima V210 are the machines of choice to excel in varying conditions and handle variable bale sizes. These models bale silage, hay and straw into small and large bales. Comprima V150 produces 1 meter to 1.5 meter diameter bales. Comprima V180 bales 1 meter to 1.8 meter diameter bales. Comprima V210 produces 1 meter to 2.05 meter diameter bales. These variable Comprima balers feature 2 NovoGrip belt and slat elevators. They are controlled by a double swing and wrap the entire bale from core formation to the final stage of baling. The pressure increases as the bale grows in size to compress the bale throughout and even its outer layer. The variable round balers are extremely dependable and produce best results even in short and dry crops. If you are aiming at high throughputs and densities, the Comprima range of variable round balers is the machine of choice in every respect. These Krona Comprima baler wrappers merge two separate operations into one machine. The baler and twin-arm wrapper are Krona developments, which means all machine functions and cycles are perfectly tuned and sequenced. Comprima CF 155 X-Cut is a world first. It is the only baler wrapper on the market that features a semi-variable fixed chamber. Accordingly, it forms bales that vary from 1.25 meters to 1.5 meters in diameter, with bale size increasing in 5 centimeter increments. The lift arm places the bale fast, accurately and centrally on the wrapping table, even on hillsides. Krona Comprima CV 150 X-Cut Baler Wrapper features a variable bale chamber. Bale sizes are 1 meter to 1.5 meters in diameter. This baler places the bale on the transferred table, which passes it on to the wrapping table. Two can work faster than one. The wrapper uses two arms to film wrap bale after bale. Comprima CV 210 X-Cut is the biggest variable chamber baler wrapper, a Krona exclusive. Bales are 1 meter to 2.05 meters in diameter. Comprima CV 210 XC spearheads a new class of baler. This baler wrapper responds to customer wishes for 1.75 meter diameter silage bales and up to 2.05 meter diameter hay and straw bales. Baling larger bales boosts your work rates and fuel efficiency, reduces wrapping costs per ton of crop, as well as time and costs for handling and transport. Comprima CV 210 X-Cut is a very compact machine. Bale transfer to the wrapping table is easy and fast as the bale rolls from the chamber onto the table. In difficult conditions, such as on slopes, the lift arm assists in transferring the bale to the table. Depending on conditions, the lever is activated automatically. The dispenser adjusts automatically to the bale diameter selected, providing optimum wraps at all times. The Krona Comprima baler wrappers bale and wrap fully automatically, offering operators the most outstanding comfort. All machine functions are controlled by separate electronic and hydraulic systems. At the end of the wrapping cycle, the wrapping table tips off the bale, placing the bales on their faces. Another task that has been solved by Krona. The wrapped bale is turned 90 degrees and placed on its face. Comprima, technology that is customized to farmer needs. In silage, hay and straw, Comprima baler wrapper combinations meet all requirements and working conditions. This is an example where no film wrapper is required. In this case, the wrapping table serves to store one bale and unload two bales in one spot for easier and faster bale collection. Krona, advanced technology for the field. Krona Comprima sets new standards. Comprima is built on years of experience and expertise by the market leader in baler manufacturing. Krone is aware of the needs in the field. Comprima is the innovation range, featuring the CAM trackless Easy Flow pickup unit and the new NovoGrip baling system, as well as the semi-variable bale chamber on Comprima F155. Comprima boasts quiet running, reduced wear and less maintenance. Comprima delivers higher bale densities and throughputs. Comprima. Krone listens and delivers. Krone. The power of green.